Hi folks, I'm here in an ugly location in southern Italy near the train station, waiting for my connection because I'm traveling back to northern Italy, and I'm doing this video on the fly because I got finally confirmation about 3 new products that Sony will be announcing very soon. As you know, in my last video I told you the ZV-E10II is coming on July the 10th, and also kit lens. I can now confirm the kit lens is a new version of the existing 16-50mm lens, so an updated version. I will share probably the specs of the ZV-E10II and also of the kit lens early next week, so definitely subscribe and hit the notification button to not miss any of the upcoming rumors. And then the third product that will be announced very soon is the 85 1.4 GM2. It's a lighter, more compact version of the existing 85mm GM lens, which is 7 years old, I guess, more or less. So one of the oldest GM lenses, and definitely in terms of image quality still good, but not excellent like the current GM lenses. And this new version will be very excellent. It's already in the hand of early testers, so I know it's real, so I know it's coming. The only missing piece of information about the lens is when it will be announced. If it's going to be announced before the ZV-E10II, with the ZV-E10II on July the 10th, or 1 week after. But what I heard from trusted sources, it's coming very, very soon. What's coming after? The 24-70mm 2.0 GM should come after that. I don't have an announcement date. If you happen to have any info about the announcement dates of the 85 1.4 GM2 and the 24-70mm GM 2.0, then please drop me a message using this email address or use the contact box on sonyalpha.com. And I can tease you that early next week I will share the details of the ZV-E10II and the lens. Hopefully in the meantime get an update about the announcement date of the 85 GM2. And also finally I started to get some grasp about what to expect from the next full frame alpha E-mount camera. I wasn't sure if it's the A7S4, the A7V, the A12 or some other model. Now finally a source gave me some hint about what to expect, so I'm trying to double check that info, and hopefully also next week again I can share info about the next full frame alpha E-mount camera. So it's going to be a quite busy time. Sorry for the location where I am. This is near the train station, and it's quite an ugly spot. Southern Italy is like that. It's very dirty, ugly in some spots, and in some areas it's super beautiful, unique, worth to be coming, and we had quite a good experience here. I didn't take my Sony gear this year because I was very committed to be with my family and not to take images and disappear and try to take some nice shots. My goal was to be with the family, so I didn't take any images, any gear with me, only this camera, this iPhone, to record vlogging if something big would be coming from at a rumor level. So again, on July the 10th there will be an announcement from Sony with 2 products, the 85 GM2 coming before or on that day or shortly after, and that's good news. And after that we should get a ton of Sony announcements. Finally we're getting some track with the announcement from Sony. It was quite a slow first half of the year. It's going to change in August, September, October, November. Many announcements, many cameras. I'm still keeping my fingers crossed for that surprise camera announcement. That's some kind of unexpected model. That is on top of my list if it's going to be true, and I'm only going to share the info as soon as I have a confirmation that this is to be coming true. But this is definitely an exciting model. Again, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button if you don't want to miss all the next videos. Here you see some garbage of southern Italy. Sorry I couldn't show you something more beautiful right now, but don't get misled by that location. Don't think that southern Italy is all like this. If you ever want to travel here, you can also contact me. I can give you some nice tips where you can see beautiful spots. Don't worry. But yeah, near train station, that's what you have to expect. That's it, folks. 3 products coming from Sony within the next 2-3 weeks, and that's good news. And after that, more exciting, more serious stuff. So finally something where you can spend your money that you saved in the past year. So definitely exciting. A train is coming, so I'm shutting down. See you.